This video is brought to you by Hover. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and today I'm going to be redesigning the Facebook logo, only using the iPad Pro. If you don't know who I am, I'm a logo designer and a hand lettering artist, and I post these videos every week on a Monday, Wednesday, and a Friday, where I teach you guys everything to do with graphic design and hand lettering and creativity. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can, from sketch to vector, design a logo, vectorize it and everything in the iPad Pro. I also just want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of this video, Hover. Hover is an amazing place for you to find a domain for your website. If you're a designer and a hand letterer or anyone in the creative industry, you need to have a good web domain for your portfolio. Hover's great because it's got over 400 domain name extensions. You can connect it to many website builders, and they're offering you 10% off your domain today. So make sure you click that link in the description to get 10% off your first domain at Hover. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please press that red subscribe button and also turn on post notifications if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. Also, let me know down below in the comments what company you'd like to see me rebrand next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.